Good morning, kids. How are you all? Welcome back to your English class. So, kids, today in English we will be learning some new words. We have already done the A family words. Now, today we will be starting with the next family words, that is E family words. Now, the first family under E is double E. E becomes double E. The sound is E. E becomes E. Let's learn some new words from double E family. First word is bee. B-E-E, bee. Kids, bees are the flying insects that produce honey. They live in hives and they work in groups. B-E-E, bee. B-E-E, bee. Tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Tree means peड़, like an apple tree or a mango tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Three. T-H-R-E-E, three. It's a number. Knee. K-N-E-E, knee means घुटना. Now dear, the alphabet K in knee is silent. We don't pronounce it. Knee is a part of our body and it is one of the strongest and the most important joints in our body. K-N-E-E, knee. The next word is agree. Agree means to have same views. जब हम किसी की बात से सहमत होते हैं तो उसे बोलते हैं agree. A-G-R-E-E, agree. Fee. F-E-E, fee. Kids, fees is the fixed price which is provided for a specific service given. Like we pay examination fee or your parents also pay the fees to the school for teaching you. F-E-E, fee. See. See means देखना. I see with my eyes. S-E-E, see. S-E-E, see. Okay, now the next word in double E family is Jeep. J-E-E-P, Jeep. Kids, Jeep is a motor vehicle which was especially used by the military people because of its off-road features. But nowadays, we also get the luxurious Jeeps also. J-E-E-P, Jeep. J-E-P, Jeep. The next word is sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Kids, sheep is a domestic animal which gives us wool and we make sweaters from it. The baby of a sheep is called lamb. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. The next word is queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Queen is the female ruler, means Rani. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. So kids, that's all with the double E words. We have some new, other words also in double E. You can see them and learn them. Thank you. Have a nice day.